Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, find folder Google and click on it. Then you need to tap on calendar. Click at this icon over here and tap got it. Then tap on the month above and select a date, for example that one. Now you need to click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, select event, and over here customize it however you want to. You can add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, and also pick starting hour and ending one. When you're done, you can tap on Add Location, choose while using the app, and select place in which event is taking place. You can also add people, change color, description, and many other things. When you're done, click Add Save at the top right corner, and now, as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, click on it, tap at the three dots at the top right corner, choose Delete, and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!